With curved displays becoming more reasonably priced, you may be looking to see how you can incorporate one in your business. Can a curved display increase productivity? And what departments is one ideal for? Well, we got our hands on the Asus Designo Curved MX34VQ display to try and answer those very questions. My name is Alex Radu, and welcome to All Hands on Tech. The 34-inch Asus MX34VQ is bezel-free with a black and silver finish with a fairly average curve. That is to say, curvier than some other popular curved displays, but by no means the curviest. It has a 3440 by 1440 resolution, a 21:9 aspect ratio, a 3000:1 contrast ratio, a 300 CD/M2 peak brightness, and a 4 millisecond gray-to-gray pixel response. Rather than buttons on the side of the monitor's cabinet like we were used to, Asus positioned a 5-way mini joystick controller at the bottom that can be used to move through all of the on-screen menus and settings. There's also a pair of down-firing 8-watt Harman Kardon speakers built into the bottom, and 3 HDMI inputs, 1 DisplayPort input, and an audio input. There are no USB 3.0 ports that you'd see on some other curved monitors. And lastly, there is a clear round base with about 20 degrees of tilt adjustability with a pretty neat feature, a wireless charging pad. While my Pixel 2 XL couldn't make use of the 5-watt QI charging pad, there are plenty out there that can, and it's a nice way to keep your phone charging while you're at your desk. So how could you adopt a display that is primarily used for gaming in the workplace? Especially considering how normal it is for employees to already have 2 displays by extending their laptop with an additional monitor. Well, let's start with productivity. On the Asus MX34VQ, you can very easily be comfortable with 3 windows open at the same time. I found that even having 6 windows open at the same time was comfortable on this 34-inch display, so you could feasibly keep what you're working on, your email, various windows of research, social media, and music open without having to switch between tabs at all. And for those who are working from home and looking to outfit their home workspace with a high-end monitor, you can rest assured that, as you can expect, it's a great monitor for watching movies or TV shows and yes, playing games. The MX34VQ uses AMD's FreeSync anti-tearing technology and a 100Hz refresh rate for a smooth performance while gaming. Audio-wise, the Harman Kardon sound system offers pretty good audio, so if you're leaning back to watch a movie or show and don't want to wear headphones, you'll have a rich audio experience. However, not all movies and TV shows are shot with the types of cameras necessary to fill out this 21:9 aspect ratio, so don't expect every piece of media you come across to go completely widescreen. As for whether or not this type of display is worth incorporating in your business, well, it depends on what you're looking for. Graphic design and video editing departments can surely take advantage of the space, although if you're looking to outfit a graphic design team, going with an all-in-one PC with a touchscreen monitor may be the better choice. As for employees on sales teams and the like, well, an $800 monitor may be unnecessary just so they can display 6 windows at the same time. And here in Canada, for the Asus MX34VQ, you're looking at between $800 to $900 to pick one up, and at that price point, you could easily get 2 extremely high-quality 24-inch displays for a workspace as well. That's it for the latest All Hands on Tech. Let us know how you think curved monitors could be used in a workplace, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My name is Alex Radu, and thanks for watching.